Hi guys, how I am drive this motorhome and welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to witness the dawn of a new era in luxury travel. This is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels. Introducing the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece that blends the elegance of a five-star hotel with the power of advanced engineering. Sleek, commanding, and breathtaking. It's more than a motorhome. It's the ultimate symbol of adventure and prestige. Welcome to this luxurious Motorhomes YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you on a cinematic journey through one of the most advanced and breathtaking motorhomes ever built. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury suite designed for those who crave elegance, power, and futuristic design. From the moment you see it, the sleek white exterior grabs your attention. Its shimmering chrome panels reflect sunlight like polished glass, while the angular spaceship-inspired silhouette gives it a bold, commanding presence. The panoramic windows stretch across the body, offering stunning views and a sense of openness that's rare in mobile living. The rooftop terrace adds another layer of sophistication, making this motorhome look like a rolling five-star resort. Let's talk about how this beauty moves. In our AI-generated video sequences, you'll see the motorhome gliding along a scenic mountain highway, with the camera rotating smoothly from front to back in a cinematic 360 motion. Another scene shows it parked gracefully at the edge of a beach, waves crashing behind it, the sun setting in the distance, a moment of pure serenity. And when it powers through the desert, it transforms into a rugged luxury beast built for adventure and comfort. Whether it's cruising coastal roads or rolling across dunes, this motorhome adapts to every terrain with elegance and strength. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior. Starting with the TV lounge, it's like stepping into a five-star hotel suite. You'll find premium leather recliners, ambient LED strip lighting, a marble coffee table, and a massive LED screen proudly displaying the Lexus logo. The panoramic side windows and rooftop skylight flood the space with natural light, while gold accents and crystal decor elevate the ambiance to pure luxury. This lounge is the perfect place to relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the cinematic experience of being on the road in style. Moving into the bedroom, it's a sanctuary of comfort and romance. A king-size bed with silk bedding, plush rugs, and crystal lamps create a dreamy atmosphere. As you lie back and gaze at the glowing Lexus panel, you might just whisper, "This isn't just a motorhome, it's a dream on wheels." The bedroom is designed to feel like a private suite, with every detail carefully chosen to inspire relaxation and intimacy. It's the kind of place where luxury meets emotion, turning every night into a romantic escape. Next up, the open kitchen. Designed with elegance and functionality in mind, it features marble countertops, a stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, and shelves stocked with luxury kitchenware. The dining table is set with gourmet dishes and crystal glasses, ready for a sunset dinner by the lake. And yes, the Lexus logo is subtly integrated into the appliances, reminding you of the brand's commitment to excellence. This kitchen isn't just about cooking, it's about creating experiences, whether it's a family breakfast or a candlelit dinner with friends. Beyond these spaces, the motorhome's full interior layout includes smart control panels, hidden minibar, luxury wardrobe, and ambient lighting throughout. It's a seamless blend of technology and comfort, crafted for those who demand the best. Every corner feels intentional, every surface polished, every feature designed to elevate the journey. Let's not forget the driver cockpit. This is where power meets precision. The captain's seat is wrapped in diamond-stitched leather, facing a digital dashboard with crystal gear shifter and ambient lighting. A beautiful woman takes the wheel, turns to the camera with a confident smile. Can says, "Hi guys, how I am drive this motorhome. Welcome to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel." Through the panoramic windshield, you see the highway, alive with traffic, and the Lexus logo glowing proudly on the central screen. It's a cockpit that feels more like the command center of a luxury spaceship than a traditional driver's seat. Back to the exterior. This motorhome isn't just about looks. It's powered by a high-performance hybrid engine, delivering impressive speed and fuel efficiency. With an estimated top speed of 110 miles per hour and an average of 18 mpg, it's built for long journeys without compromise. The price? Starting at $1.2 million and worth every penny. Lexus, known for redefining luxury, has outdone itself with this model. And here's the buzz. Bookings for 2027 are already flooding in. Rumor has it that none other than Leonardo DiCaprio is eyeing this motorhome for his next eco-conscious road trip. With sustainability, style, and sophistication all rolled into one, it's no surprise that celebrities are lining up to 2026. Lexus Motorhome is more than a product, it's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of where luxury travel is headed. Thank you so much for watching this full video. If you enjoyed this showcase, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop your favorite motorhome name in the comments below. We might just feature it in our next video. Stay luxurious. Stay adventurous.